Diyas really make us feel of God. Come, let's learn more about Diwali through this skit. No, no, no. It's not just a skit, but a musical hunting Diwali presented by the students of class 2nd E. Good morning, revered fathers, teachers, and my dear friends. We, the students of Standard 2E, have great pleasure in presenting before you this musical skit that will make you understand the true essence of Diwali. Kushi and Arjun are two children who have waited eagerly for the whole year for Diwali so that they can buy new clothes, sweets and crackers. But the eve of Diwali this year had a lot more in store. Let's see what it is. Mom, do you know you have done a big mistake in our preparation for Diwali? Mistake? What kind of mistake? Mom, you know what we are talking about. When are we going to get us the crackers for Diwali? We will, darling. We know you are waiting for them. But all my friends have already got it. Yes, same here. We want it now. So, you are trying to blackmail me. Wait for your father to come from office. We will talk then. Good evening, Papa. How are you, Papa? You want something from me, right? Papa, tomorrow is Diwali and it's still not brought crackers and sweets. Of course we will get it for you. Tomorrow is the holiday. Right now, let me relax. Here, have a change and relax. Thanks, dear. Come kids, come here. Do you really think Diwali is all about new clothes and crackers and sweets? Yes, Grandpa. What else does it stand for? Sweethearts, it stands for the victory of good over evil. Good over evil? Yes, children. Do you want to hear the interesting story of Diwali? Yes. Okay, then let's hear it.
दशरथ जी के बेटे राम करते हैं सब जिन्हें प्रणाम। उनको जब वनवास हुआ मन सीता का उदास हुआ। उनको जब वनवास हुआ मन सीता का उदास हुआ। सीता की रक्षा के लिए खींची रेखा लक्ष्मण ने। बोले उनसे छोड़ के द्वार जाना मत रेखा के पार। गई उन्हें अपनी सीता, राम ने अंत में युद्ध जीता। मिल गई उन्हें अपनी सीता, लौट के आए अपने नगर, फिर किया राज अयोध्या पर। लौट के आए अपने नगर, फिर किया राज अयोध्या की। राम की हुई फिर जय जयकार, सज गया फिर उनका दरबार। है ये कथा रामायण की, सीता राम और लक्ष्मण की। है ये कथा रामायण की, सीता राम और लक्ष्मण की।
Wow, what an interesting story. Yes, children, it's a legend, a true story, a celebration of homecoming of Lord Ram. After winning over the evil demon Ravan, Diwali is a festival of lights which tells us the importance of being good and noble in life. And crackers and sweets simply mark the celebration of this nobility and modesty. And yes, friends, when you burst the crackers, do it in presence of your elders so that they can take care of your safety. Now tell me, both of you all want to go tomorrow to get the crackers or not? Yes, Mother. Then go to sleep. I have made your bed. Good night, Grandpa. Good night, children. Thank you, friends, for a wonderful sketch. Now we all know the meaning of Diwali in real sense. Dear friends, let us celebrate Diwali by sharing sweets and joy and with less crackers so that we don't spoil our environment and health. Thank you. Dance, dance, dance. It's the lovely way to express joy and happiness. Now our friends of class 2F will perform a dance.
आज की ये रात करे दूर अंधेरा, दीप जले ऐसे लगे जैसे सवेरा।
प्यार की सौगातें हो, तारों की बारातें हो,
दूरी की नभाते हो, बस मुलाकातें हो,
सबको यही देती संदेशा।
आज की ये रात करे दूर अंधेरा, दीप जले ऐसे लगे जैसे सवेरा।
प्यार की सौगातें हो, तारों की बारातें हो,
दूरी की नभाते हो, बस मुलाकातें हो,
सबको यही देती संदेशा। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाए, रोशनी की चादर उड़े दीपावली आए। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाए, रोशनी की चादर उड़े दीपावली आए। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाए, रोशनी की चादर उड़े दीपावली आए। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाए, रोशनी की चादर उड़े दीपावली आए।
दीपावली fills the streets with happiness and laughter. Dipavali is here together.
दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाए, रोशनी की चादर उड़े दीपावली आए।
Now our friends of Standard 2nd A are going to present a poem on Diwali.
This is like that.
जगमग जगमग दीप जले, आए घर में खुशहाली। आपके जीवन में आए न कोई अंधेरी रात काली। दुख दरिद्र सब दूर हो, घर में सुख शांति का बसेरा। जीवन में आपके कभी हो न क्षणिक मात्र अंधेरा। चेहरे से जल के चिंता ना कभी भी, हर पल आनंद का एहसास हो। आपके मन मंदिर में केवल बस ईश्वर का वास हो। भटको ना कभी तुम डगर से अपने, सत्य हो आपके हमेशा कड़ी। चाहे लाखों तूफान आए, मुझे ना आपके जीवनकारी। हो चारों तरफ हरियाली आपके, खिल उठे हर मुरझाई कड़ी। उमंगों और उत्साह से भरी मुबारक हो आपको दीपावली। Today is the festival of lights all over, a joyful day for minds, hearts and souls. People throng the temples to offer prayers, resolving to take better roles. And most of them are richly clad and clean, and eat such dainty foods with mirth. With noisy crackers burst, their lights are seen. It seems to be a happy day on earth. But are there not hearts filled very sad, denied of laughter for days? Today is the triumph of good over evil. But what about the wastage in so much waste? True joy when you see someone else smile. True charity gives joy heavenly style. It was great to hear a poetry on Diwali in English and Hindi. Come, let's all sing and dance in the joyful festival of light with the students of class 2nd D in the Diwali dance.
गली हो महकी हर गली आज जहाँ भी तुम रहो चलो साथ हमारे अब कहो हैप्पी दिवाली आज मिले तुमसे कोई तुम भी बड़े दिल से मिलो हैप्पी दिवाली आज जहाँ भी तुम रहो चलो साथ हमारे अब कहो हैप्पी दिवाली आज मिले तुमसे कोई तुम भी बड़े दिल से मिलो हैप्पी दिवाली मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली
Wasn't that wonderful? Festivals are to enjoy and spend time with our loved ones. Don't you think we are missing on something? Who said it's over? It's not yet over. Exactly. We should not forget today's day, a special day for all the children. Today is the Children's Day. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of Free India, loved children so much that he gave his birthday to all the children of India as their day. Children even called him Chacha Nehru. Since then, on 14th of November, Children's Day is celebrated.